Anyway, next class. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. So we just got back home from Hong Kong and I have quite a few PR packages here to unbox and I want to unbox it together with you guys. So the first one, na-open ko na actually, so sobrang excited ko, is this Seoul box. This is a Korean snack box. Subscription box rin siya and full of snacks, and meron din daw here K-beauty items and K-pop merch. So very excited, and look at the box. Ang ganda rin, diba? Parang very Seoul. Okay, so let's open it. Welcome to Korea. It says here, welcome to Korea. And then from streets of Seoul, straight to your door. Ayan, they deliver here sa Philippines. So first thing I can see here is this. I believe this is their magazine. Ito yung ma-expect mo from the box. This one, medyo marami, no? Okay, so tignan na natin what's in the box. First is this. Wait, I'm reading it here kasi meron din dito mga info. Strawberry banana cake. Chocolate-coated biscuit snacks. Uy, mukhang masarap to. Parang egg, pero hindi to egg. Parang alam ko may nut to sa loob eh. Rice cracker. Oh, that's very sikat, diba, sa Korea. European premium cookies. 7 berries chocolate cake. Ooh, chocolate cake. Orange grapefruit black tea naman ito. Waffle onion baguette snack. Ito, this is the corn pam. Ito, dalawa naman. Yung honey rice cracker. And then, ang dami pa, oh. Look. Ay, look at the design of the box. Ang ganda. Ramyun. This is the choco banana rice cake. Red bean pancake. Lemon candy. Sheet mask. Very uso sa Korea, diba? And then, ito, oh my gosh, ito na yung K-pop merch. So cute. This is kay J-Hope. So, BTS merch. And it is a bandage. So, let us try muna ng mga snacks. Yung mga Korean snack. This looks really yummy. Wow! Oh my gosh! Parang Easter eggs. Diba? Let's try nyo if meron sa mga Korean grocery or just try the Seoul box, diba? I'll be leaving it in the description box below, yung website to Seoul box in case you wanna try. And again, thanks to Seoul box for sponsoring this segment of the video. On to the next package. From Maybelline naman, this is their Sky High Mascara. I'm already using it now. And in fairness, maganda siya. Like, nakaka-stay on talaga yung curl. And hindi naman siyang clumpy sa eyelashes. Diba mga ibang mascara clumpy? So, ito yon. And kahit nang pawis na pawis ako, hindi naman siya nagsasmudge. Sinuot ko rin to one time, yung nag-LRT ako. Grabe, okay siya. I'm very impressed. And then, next is this one from Kiehl's. Can you see it clearly? So, I believe, retinol. Okay, microdose retinol. And then, the next one is Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Baka like, parang vitamin C ito. Oh, there. Wow, ganda. Para magka-glass skin daw, you have to use both of these. Ito for the night, and then this one sa morning. But make sure just to put lots of sunscreen kasi these are both active ingredients. So, I think yan lang. Or am I missing something? Yung mga iba na ligpit ko na. Anyway, that's all for my PR unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another school vlog. At tagal ko na sobrang hindi nag-school vlog. Hey, here's Karen. Do you wanna be in the vlog?
Sure.
Okay. Anyway, today we have a 7:30 class. It is currently, what time na ba? 7:02, tama ba? Yung clock, ito kasi, ay nako. Itong watch ko kasi, weird to, mag-isa nag-a-adjust ng oras. Anyway, since it's still very early, let me give you a tour of the LASALLIAN's mini pond. Ito, ang daming mga turtle and very famous yan sa TikTok. Lagi ko nakikita to sa TikTok. Oh, see how nice. I think mga, ito, red-eared sliders. Alam mo, ito yung mga good thing about the 7:30 class. You get to start your day early, but the thing is, sobrang inaantok ka pa. Like right now, inaantok na ako. Hindi ko naman magawa yung task na kailangan ko gawin. I have this long paper that I have to do, but I can't do it because I'm so sleepy. Anyway, after this, alam mo, after this class, mayroon kaming break. And then, during that break, we will have our breakfast. Anong breakfast mo today? Wala. Gusto mo?
Hindi.
Meron ako bread, dalawa. Ay, alam mo ba? Ay, pamaya na lang papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung bread na meron ko today. You remembered our sponsor for this video, guys. I'm gonna share my snacks sa mga friends ko.
Thanks
See?
for sponsoring me some food.
Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, taste mo
Thanks.
na. Taste it.
Okay.
It's rice cracker. Si Hans rin meron, oh. See? Yum. Now that we're done sa 7:30 class namin, we're here in the library to get some work done. And like what I said earlier, I want to show my breakfast, which is this bread. It doesn't look nice kasi kinuha ko lang to and napisa na siya medyo sa sa bag ko. Anyway, I want to show it to you kasi ito ang binake ko the other day. Yun lang. So it's dinner roll. Update! Kanina, I can't do my work because I was too distracted with all the people crossing sa tapat ko. So right now, we're on the way to our second class, which is here sa building na ito. Let me show you. Yeah, this is also where we had our first class kanina. Our second class for today is IBS Fash, mainly all about the fashion world and paano ang mga marketing doon. Basta ganun. Let's go, Karen! Is everyone there? Wait, sorry.
But rather, for a day-to-day, an everyday.
Could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was
Okay guys, we're here. 6th floor. Let's go. Our class just ended and now we're here back in the library to drop our stuff and have lunch. Oh, you ate KFC. Wow. Hey Hans. Hey Paolo. Hello, say hello. Ano ba't di ka na nakakap?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Every lunch, bro. Oh my God, you're wearing black. Hello. What the heck? Every lunchtime, ganito kami. Hindi maka-decide saan kakain. Tama, saan ba tayo ngayon? Saan tayo?
Lumen.
Lumen, ikaw.
Army Navy.
Ikaw.
Anywhere.
Ikaw, saan tayo kakain?
No.
Ikaw.
Army Navy.
Ikaw.
EGI.
Okay, let's go guys. Let's go! Hay nako, ayaw nila maglakad guys. Ganito kami palagi. Hindi namin alam saan kami i-eat. Alam niyo yun, yung parang, bahala na, magkita na lang tayo. O sige. Alam mo yung problem na yun na parang, pag kuya na sa bahay ka magkain tapos, yes? Okay, back to my kwento. Alam niyo yung feeling na if sa house ka kakain, tapos hindi mo gusto yung food, pipili ka pa. Pero ngayon, ikaw na magde-decide, pero hindi ka naman makapili kung saan ka kakain. Nakaka-relate ka.
Yes.
Anyway, we're going to EGI for Karen's lunch. And then, later na yung akin. Grabe, nakakain ko ng hair ko. Ang windy. Wait. Where Karen will get her lunch. Ito ang menu. Pero hindi ko sure. Hey Karen, ano ba ang i-order mo dito?
Pork chop meal.
Pork chop meal. How much is that?
145, I think.
Where is it? Oh, that, yeah. 125 and 145. My lunch for today, Japanese curry, and for Karen, pork chop and plain rice. Okay guys, on the way to our next class. Okay guys, on the way to our next class. Our next class is at Andrew and it's 2:30 pa naman. But we wanna go there earlier because usually the elevator, sobrang haba ng pila, as in to the point, 30 minutes ka mag-aantay. So, ilan meetings na kami late. So this time, ayaw na namin ma-late, you know? That's why we're going there right now. That's all. Ang haba nga ng pila. Pero hindi ganun. Hi. Pero hindi ganun kahaba ngayon yung pila, which is great. So worth it naman ang aga natin na alis, no?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're about to go home. It's about 5 o'clock. And sabi ni Karen, we are gonna ride a jeepney. So let's vlog that, you know? I wanna show it to you guys. This is the social version of Jeep. Look. Say hello.